Morning, Scully. It's too early, huh? We are up much earlier than we normally get up. Although this should become a normal thing, except maybe not 7 in the morning.
It's not going to be normal. It's going to be so abnormal. So we're going to wake up whenever he wants us to.
So it's the, we're going to church and then we're going to Starbucks to work on our birth plan and have like a little date. And then I might be doing some photos for my cousin's girlfriend, but I don't know about if I'll have time for all that, and then go to work. Now there should be a sleeping Bowden in his natural habitat on our couch, because my brother-in-law, or Hannah's brother's friend stayed here last night, so let's go see. Hopefully I don't wake him up, but I'll at least let you see him in his natural habitat. Shh, Scully. 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 No. Scully. Come here. Let the Bowden sleep. You need to let him sleep. I know, it's so exciting.
Beautiful one, my soul must sing.
So, what are we doing?
I wish sleeping.
Okay, but what are we actually gonna do?
Working on the birth plan like you told them earlier.
Yeah.
Or yesterday. I don't know.
Yes, it was one of these days. Might have been this morning or super early this morning.
So full.
Aww. Nothing. Give it over. It's Scully body with Hannah. It's Scully with Hannah body. Oh, there's Hannah.
It's not round, so it bounces.
It hit my shoe. You struck my shoe.
It's better than me throwing it that way and then she would scratch my face.
Where's toy? Where's your toy? Give up the toy.
She literally shoved her butthole in my face.
Where's your toy?
Why?
She goes, it's my pillow. Scully, where's your toy? Where's your toy? Oh, they're both right there. She's like, I'm just gonna keep dropping them at your feet until you pick one of them up. Come on. Bring your toy. Bring up your toy. Scully, bring up your toy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Scully. Come on. Come on. Why are you so difficult? And right when I try to reach for it, you're gonna take it. Alright, I'll take this one then. Go get it. Oh, you're not gonna go get it because you still have that one. Is that the case? You know, you're a butthead. No, no. Oh, oh. You tried, honey. You tried. Oh, there you go. Sorry, Scully, I got in trouble again.
Here. That Chewy bear?
You don't know it.
Show me how tough you
You
are.
guys did.
Show me how tough you are. You were just flinging them all around.
Trying to embarrass the name with his story. So you knew what the story was about.
Oh.
Don't you? I got a good idea.
Oh, you're so vicious. Show me how vicious you are.
Drugs. I'm not gonna let anyone sneak.
Show me how vicious you are.
I don't care about it.
Oh.
Fine.
Other doggies don't ever stand a chance against you.
It was me. I did it.
Oh.
It's not a
Oh.
problem. Plus, what do you want us to do? We can't arrest all of them. Why not? You confess. I'm gonna hold the cell. You can arrange transfer. That room's only meant for one person.
Someone's got the hiccups. Such violent hiccups. Whoa, Shadow.